Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart a PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, hold down power button unless two beeps sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here, connect DualSense controller via USB cable, then select rebuild database. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here, click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, go to the settings menu from PS5 home screen. Now choose system. Then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, select restore, finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to change language on console. For that, open settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on the other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, click on network, click on settings. Set up internet connection. Here select your network and press the option button. Then select advanced settings and change DNS settings to manual. Here is the Google DNS mentioned. After this, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software. Click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Choose Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 game. If you are using PS Plus Cloud, then select download or delete from cloud storage. Choose the game. Next is to reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You can explain the issue to the support team. They will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.